War Day number 1015. 1015 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2024. We have a couple of weeks to go, end of the year. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. We have in today's newspaper, yes, it's back after a few days in a row. We have no additional, but today we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Apologize for the noise. Yes, it's the water cooker. Boiling the water. Alright, the first one, let me see, it's the 4 stars, no, the 3 stars Sudoku. Okay, the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 9694. Well, 9694. Let me position the camera first. Having troubles with the space here. Not a lot of space. Alright, 9694. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah, 9. How about the need a 2 then, it is 7. 7. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left and 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the 3rd row, 5 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row. Only 2 places left and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5. Okay. 5. Alright. 5. Let me see. 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. Need a 4 here. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it in. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Okay. 4. Well, and now stuck again. 1, 2. Need a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 9, 3, and the 7. I need a 7. I need a 7 in the first row. Well, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left now in this second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8, 8, okay. Then, let me see. How about, need a 6 here. I need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Alright. Overlook this 7. 7 and a 9. We already have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. I need a 9 here. Need a 9. A 7 there. Need a 7 here then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 4? Need a 4 here. Well, the number. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. Okay. Interesting. 6 here. No. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Need a 6 here. I'm thinking. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. 6. Okay. How about 8? Then no. The 1. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1. Okay, 1, need a 1 here. 1, 7, and number. Need a 8 here. 8, need a 2, and I need a 3 here. Yeah. 1, 7, and the number. Ooh, 2. I need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. Well, need 2 here. Interesting. Well. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But the 5 then, still having troubles with the 5. 5, 5. Well, we have a pair in this big square. 5 and a 6 in this column. 5 and a 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes at damn. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. How about 8 and the 3? Okay. And now, I need a 2 here. I need a 6 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. 6 in the last column, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 there also. Okay, and now cannot continue with the 6. How about 8 here? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only place left, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Then 1 box left now in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And then let me see, 6 and the 3, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this middle row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 cannot fill this yet. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 3. 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 and the 7 in the second column. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. One box left in this row for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 15 minutes. It's over again. Maybe I talked. Oh! 2 numbers left here. Well, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Still 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars here. Maybe I talk too much, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.